Hi, my name is Daniela and I am from the Netherlands, but at the moment I live in Papua New Guinea in Kapuna. In Kapuna is a really big hospital, but also a school for children, a school for medical people. But since 1 year we have also a sewing class. Every week we give lessons about how to sew dresses, skirts, Mary blouses. And Scott and Phoebe, they give sometimes lessons about how to run your own business. In 2022, we started working together with Days for Girls International.
Days for Girls is a worldwide organization what helps ladies by managing their periods. They made these beautiful bags, pads, and underwear, and give them education about health and hygiene.
Every Friday we come to Kapuna to sew these bags.
Oh, we love to give these bags to all the women who come to deliver here in Kapuna Hospital.
This bag is reusable and they don't have to buy an expensive one in the shop. It is good for hygiene.
Hi, I'm Scott and I'm from New Zealand, and I'm also here to support this project. Each year in Kapuna Hospital, on average 350 mothers deliver. We also have a secondary school, a primary school, and a community health worker training. It is our dream that women from each of these areas can have a free Days for Girls bag to help support and manage their hygiene. Each bag only costs $25 to manufacture. Can you help support us in our goal?
Thank you!